It's Monday! Yeah, so this is an upload for Monday, but we are not going. This is not recorded on Monday, to be honest with you. Why? So it's because. Wait a minute. It's because we have to put the ground rules for everything that we're going to do for this channel. Because there's a limit on how much I can upload every week and I don't want to be overloaded. So we're going to set a limit. What's the limit? The limit is I can't really post every day. So the ground rule is one. Rule number one is I can set the time where I uploaded. Just like I did last time, where I got a lot of views, but it's only short and the long form did not. So every time the long form failed, we will upload less. The short form fail because YouTube somehow always try to recommend my videos, but when it comes to long form, sometimes it fails, sometimes zero for a whole month, and nobody searches for it. So the ground rules is I can't upload every day, and if there's zero views for the entire week, uh, we get this no upload for the whole. I mean minus one because until we reset. Okay. So there's an exception if I don't have Wi-Fi. If I have no schedule, I have no extra videos that I can upload. Plus, there's sometimes I'm going to upload, and the thing that I'm going to upload is like this: the ground rules, added additional ground rules, and other things are update. Maybe I'll make 3-second videos in a landscape mode, and that's the whole entire video, 3 seconds. Then just a short form. We're going to try a lot of stuff this time. And if long point still fails, we're just going to reset it, add additional precaution, restraint, and additional rules. So for now, there's only three. I can upload anytime I want, but for the whole week, if it's fail, the long form, and we reduce the videos and until it reset to back to zero. Okay, and there's a schedule of updates, maybe Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday, Sunday. That's all for now. Next time we're going to have other rules, but for now that's the only rule for this channel, and you better watch out. And it's Sunday today. Okay, bye.